Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are well. Today we will read the ayat number 18 and 19 of Surah Al-Baqarah. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And if you want that your child would learn Quran Majid with proper Tajweed and Qiraat, then contact us on our WhatsApp number. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم صم بكم عمي فهم لا يرجعون. صم meme has a little meme on, and meme also has a pink color and tashdid, so we do gunna here. Sawt pronounced boldly because it has a green color. Bukmun, umyun, ayn. Sound of ayn is a, and ayn pronounced from the middle part of throat. Umyun, ya also have a pink color, so we do gunna. Fahum la yarji'un. Simply we use sound of each letter and the word pronounced very well. أو كصيب من السماء. أو كصيب ba join with meme because meme has tashdid. كصيب bim صاد. صاد pronounced boldly, and meme we do gunna on meme because it has a tashdid. من السماء. Stretch the alif which has mad because it is a long mad, so we stretch it up to 5 alif or up to 5 harkat. فيه ظلمات ورعد وبرق. فيه ظلمات. Waw has a tashdid and ta has 2 dama sign, so we join them together. ظلمات ورعد. Like as before, dal also have 2 dama sign and waw has a tashdid, so we also join them together, and dal has a pink color, so we do gunna here. وَرَعَدٌ وَبَرْقٌ. Ra and qaf. We bold the ra and qaf because it has a green color. وَبَرْقٌ. And we do not pronounce 2 dama sign because there is a little jim after barq, after qaf, so we stop here. يجعلون أصابعهم في آذانهم. يجعلون. Simply do qalqalah on jim because it has a blue color jim, and when jim has just mean it has no sign, so we do qalqalah. أصابعهم في. Stretch the fi because it has a mad. آذانهم. Stretch the alif because it has a standing fatha sign, and zal. Zal pronounced softly. It pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the inner edges of the top 2 front teeth. من الصواعق حذر الموت. من الصواعق. صاد and qaf. Bold the صاد and qaf, and ra join with lam because lam has a jazm and ra has fatha sign. رغل الموت. والله محيط بالكافرين. Bold the Allah word because before Allah word is waw, and waw has a fatha sign. والله محيط بالكافرين. Ra in the kafirin will not be bold because it has a kasra sign. So this lesson is enough. Allah Hafiz.